Okay, hello everyone. My name is Emma and I'm going to be playing Ocean Eyes by Billie Eilish.
Great. Okay. And if you were wondering why you couldn't really follow the music so well when I was scrolling, it was because a lot of the things that she did, she's added in herself. Uh, a lot of those changes. So I wasn't even sure sometimes where she was because she's added on extra codas and extra intermezzos in between the piece. So she's kind of composed her own versions in different areas, in beginning, middle, and end and stuff. Anyway, let's get some feedback for Emma. So hands up. We'll start with Matthew.
You had good body movement, good dynamics and articulation.
Great. Uh, good comments there. Mostly good stuff. Allison.
I agree with Matthew and I think you have a good tempo.
Good tempo, and she agrees with Matthew. Elena.
Um, Good tempo. I agree with Matthew. Is she still on draft or is that just the other paper?
I'm not sure what the paper is. Maybe it's the music. Is that she wants to know, is that memorized?
Um,
She wants to know if your music is memorized. That's all.
Yeah, I'm still trying to write the song on Sibelius, so I'm not exactly done with it yet.
She's still writing it out, so she's not done. but as you can tell, there's what you saw is what she sees. So a lot of the music that's she's playing is not even on the paper anyway.
And I agree on you with the composing.
Okay, great. Elena likes your composing. Okay, good. Julia?
I agree with Matthew and Allison. I really like the arrangement, and I think it was a bit too quiet. So you can add a bit more of the loud side.
Great. Just curious, Julia, here's a random question. Do you like it enough that you'd want to play her arrangement?
I don't know.
Just to throw you on the spot there. Think about it, because she's going to write it out, and she has other arrangements that she's doing. Anyway. All right, good. Should we move forward? Laura?
So I really liked your articulation and like your arrangement.
Great. Laura's a fan. Okay, and Elena's clapping too. All right, ladies and gentlemen, that's the end of class. I just want to remind you guys that we have class tomorrow for performance